Hello guys, in this video I'll show you how to create a Bitmoji for your Snapchat. Okay, then let's go for it. First of all, go to Snapchat and tap on top left on your profile, and here is options for you like create my Bitmoji. Okay, tap on here, select your gender, okay, here is set your skin tone, your nose, lips, or like as you wish. I mean, what you look like, that's it. Okay, I just save with outfit. Yeah, okay, now save this. Yeah, your Bitmoji is ready. So thank you for watching.